Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I think we have to have a discussion. I honestly believe that every single wig wearer needs to have a headband wig because I'm going to the market on this day and I am dreading laying my lace. I know you all have that experience where you're literally in a rush. Either you're like me and you're going somewhere, or you're going to take pictures and you want to quickly do it before the sun comes down. But honestly, it's just not working. It's too much. You have to make sure it's flat. That's where the Love Me Hair headband and grab and go wigs come in. So I got 2 wigs, and in my parcel I got these headbands. Super cute. These are perfect to style up your wig so it doesn't look the same. And I really love this nude one, and also this polka dot one is super cute. And in the box I also got 2 wig caps, and I also got this cute little pencil case that had some goodies inside. I love Me Hair because they really do spoil you. I love this mirror that they gave me. I'm going everywhere with it. It's always going to be in my bag. And then they also gave me a scarf that I can put on my head, as well as an edge brush. And then the parcel also comes with an instruction manual so that you know how to properly take care of your wigs and if you want to do a return. So let's get into the first wig that I got. So if you know me and you follow my channel, you know that I am obsessed with this one headband wig that I got. And this is the next one that I really wanted to add to my collection. I wanted something really easy, a bob, straight, very to the point, something that I can just pop onto my head, go to the grocery store, and I'm good. The good thing about headband wigs is there's no lace, there's no stress. It's perfect. There's a Velcro strip at the back that can be used to secure your wig. There's combs, and that's it. No lace, no nothing, no fuss. It's perfect. So I absolutely love this wig because all I really had to do was do a couple passes with a straightener and I was out the door. It's perfect. I absolutely recommend it. Everybody who wears wigs really look into getting a headband wig. It's one of those wigs that honestly everybody needs. So this is how it looks without any accessorization or anything like that. I love it. I love the length, and this is it with one of the headbands. So you can see how you can easily play it up, make it look really nice. I absolutely adore it. And this is where it hits at the back of my head. It's very cute. I love the length. It's perfect. And then I'll show you how it looks with the other headband. It's so cute. I think everybody needs one. And then the second wig I'm absolutely obsessed with. I've already posted this one on my Instagram and everybody was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute on you. And one thing about me, I actually haven't done curls, like big poofy curls, in a very long time. So same concept, no lace whatsoever. But the difference here is we've got bangs. So it's not a headband strip, it's bangs. So all you really have to do, and all I did, I thought I was going to have to put water, gel, mousse. No, all I had to do was literally finger comb this wig. I didn't even have to cut much of the bangs because they don't go super low. It's literally perfect. I love the length and I love the shape. I think that's my favorite thing because I was scared that it was just gonna look like a curly mess basically. But no, as you can see, there's like this beautiful heart shape. It's like shaped perfectly. Like, I don't know how to explain the fact that this afro is literally the perfect shape. Like, it complements my face so well. I love the bangs. I'm obsessed, you guys. I absolutely love this hair, and it's so much better than what I expected. It's so much better than what I expected, and I'm going to absolutely adore this wig during summer. All you really have to do, honestly, is finger comb it. And if you've got acrylic nails, girl, even better. It's just that good. And that's it, you guys. So let me know in the comments if you own a headband wig and which one you have your eye on. Go into my description box to shop both of these wigs and check out Love Me Hair's range. I absolutely recommend them for any grab and go super easy wigs. Love you guys. Mwah.